My name is Mohit Oswal. I am the managing director of Roop Auto, where we make critical components for our customers, both passenger and commercial vehicle. And we are the preferred supplier because we offer full traceability right to the steel lot based on every invoice that we send out. And looking at the trust of our customer and growing demand, we are rapidly expanding capacity in our current facilities, and we are also going to make a state-of-the-art world-class forging facility which will be operational in the next 24 months. Also, we would be moving not only into cold forging but possibly hot forging, so we can meet the entire spectrum of need based on our customers, both domestic and global.
We receive raw material bars as per our technical delivery condition from customer approved sources. Total 30 different grades of raw material is received at Roop Auto Forge for further processing. Raw material is stored under shed to prevent it from rust. For raw material approval, we are capable of conducting 27 different types of tests for confirming its properties. After lab approvals, raw material is shifted to identified location along with tag and inspection reports. Colors are applied to both ends of the raw material bar as per color chart board. One side color designates material grade, other end designates steel supplier's color. Centralized FIFO boards are maintained for all raw material grade and sections along with raw material stock. Raw material is issued online as per FIFO criteria. Corresponding to FIFO board, FIFO tag is also displayed on all raw material bars. We develop 3D model for part using Unigraphics and Forge 11 simulation software to optimize the die and tool design for smooth grain flow, input weight, and to reduce defects such as underfilling, fold, lap, etc. In-house tool room is equipped with vertical milling machines to manufacture all tools and dies. Our forging facility is equipped with induction heaters. After heating, billets are automatically segregated for overheat, underheat using double color infrared radiation pyrometer. Overheated billets are collected in locked red bins and underheated billets in yellow bins for further processing. Overheated billets are scrapped and underheated billets are reheated one more time as per company rule. Process parameter setting console is logged to make it tamper-proof. After forging, parts are transferred to conveyor to avoid hot part handling. Parts are transferred from conveyor to bin through sloped chute to avoid impact and deformation on red hot parts. We have conveyorized continuous furnace to meet our heat treatment requirements. Our furnaces are equipped with multiple convector motors to maintain uniform temperature inside furnace. In our heat treatment furnace, human intervention is minimized with the help of human machine interface HMIs. It governs and records the furnace operation, alarms and data using 35 different sensors such as low high temperature, conveyor speed, convector motor RPM, etc. Temperature Uniformity Survey TUS is done yearly and System Accuracy Test SAT is done quarterly to ascertain that furnace accuracy is maintained. Heat treatment facility is approved by Tier 1s and MSIL. Also CQI NICE standard implemented and followed. Fully equipped lab is available in Roop Auto Forge for conducting destructive and non-destructive tests such as chemical composition, hardness, microstructure, grain size, inclusion rating, Jomny hardenability, grain flow, magnetic particle inspection, eddy current, ultrasonic testing, etc. Acceptance and rejection limit microstructure images are defined and displayed in lab. Specimens of raw material and heat treated parts are stored for identified period. We are doing visual inspection for crack, underfill, short fill issues and also conducting dimensional check for OK oversized undersized parts. All parts produced in Roop Auto Forge are checked using magnetic particle inspection to avoid customer complaints for crack. We recently did a Kaizen and added non-touch type MPI machines where there is no need to hold the part for inspection of crack. Clamped magnetized parts are rotated while under inspection of black light to detect crack. Machines are having alarms for low current, high current. Inspector fatigue management is exercised using timer and alarm system, which rings after every 45 minutes, and different inspectors are deployed on machines. Inspectors are minimum ASNT level 1 certified. We have state-of-art eddy current testing machines with auto gate sorter for hardness, material grade mix-up, wrong heat treatment. We also have ultrasonic testing facility to detect internal cracks. Limit samples are used, displayed at required station and revalidated every year. We implement part traceability system using letter embossed on parts through dies. For example, LUKT, where L denotes Roop Auto Forge, U denotes steel mill, K denotes the heat from the steel mill, and T denotes code for production lot sequence. This way we can track back the details of production, process controls used, and inspection details of the lot. This batch code is linked with invoices as well.
We are very thankful to our customer. We are where we are basically due to the guidance and support of our customers. Thank you.